Hi there, my name's Don Shine and I teach for the Body Electric School, and I wanted to tell you about a workshop we offer called Celebrating the Body Erotic. Now this is the first of all the Body Electric workshops, the one that began it all in the early 1980s and quite frankly radically changed the course of my life. The question I get from folks all the time is, what happens at these workshops? What do you all do there? And the reality is this is deeply, deeply personal work for everybody, and everybody might give you a different response to, what it is we did and what their reaction was to it. But for me, it was all around really examining my relationship to my body, to my physical self, and really connecting that to my spiritual self, my emotional self, and most importantly, my beautiful, loving, and joyful, erotic self. Over the course of the weekend, we typically bring in elements of breath, elements of movement, elements of touch, all in a very consent and safe space for you to really explore. We really pride ourselves in creating safer containers for the exploration and discovery of who you truly are. These are usually between 2 and 4 days long, depending on the workshop, depending on the location. Some are in person as residential workshops, some are commuter, some are even online. We literally offer them all over the world. We have wonderful facilitators that are scattered all over the planet that can offer this work for you, for all people, for all expressions and all genders. So if any of this it sounds interesting, come and join us. Reach out to one of us. We'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. And I hope to see you, or maybe you'll see one of my fabulous colleagues at an upcoming workshop in the future. Take care. Bye-bye.